We are safely within the certified envelope.
Specialists fit the multi-layer insulation. This directly determines cabin noise and temperature. The team proceeds systematically from specialists route complex cable bundles, following precise digital drawings. These units connect to the main harness, powering the aircraft's vital systems.
Aligning the main keel beam lines now. Torque spec is set and locked on this coupling.
The team fits the engineered floor system. Torque to spec. Beams are secured to the frame. Composite panels form the surface. Inside the cabin, the team installs the framework. Laser systems project precise datum lines. Technicians fit the engine.
Every hide is carefully inspected. Precision cuts ensure perfect edges. Skiving creates seamless joints.
Fabricated from precision-machined aluminum alloy. Each frame must pass rigorous dynamic certification. Each layer is precisely cut for ultimate comfort. CNC machines shape the complex bolster curves. Every profile is refined through ergonomic testing. Precision engineering meets culinary excellence. Every component must comply with strict certification, delivering a fine dining experience in the skies. Every fixture is crafted to the highest residential standard. This hand-carved basin is progressively refined, developing a Inside this bay, modules are integrated. Trimmers install leather panels. Technicians connect power and water. Every routing plan is verified. Installation of the major cabin monuments begins. The galley is guided with millimeter clearance. Technicians position it using laser references. Every panel requires flawless handling. Technicians align them to exact drawing dimensions. Consistency across joint lines is critical. Inside the cabin, the team fits the ceiling panels. These incorporate a backlit stretch film. This creates a diffuse ceiling glow. Installers fit the custom wool carpet. This pattern runs continuous through the cabin. Each section is aligned to the center line.
Technicians carefully transport each masterpiece into the cabin. Fittings engage precisely with floor tracks. Power and data.
Specialists install the largest IFE system in its class. Precision cabling is routed behind completed panels. Premium speakers, a bespoke mattress provides exceptional comfort. The quilted leather surround is carefully installed. Mirrored wardrobe units complete the space. Every detail defines the pinnacle of private aviation. From the hand-carved stone to the polished nickel hardware, soft ambient lighting meets acoustic warmth. Inside the hangar, the robotic gantry begins. It applies a custom midnight navy blue coat. Master painters complete the intricate areas.
All systems are green. Initiating engine start. Both engines stable at idle.
This is the ultimate first impression.
Archer 1, cleared for departure.
It is an absolute honor to hand over this masterpiece.
Engine 1 is stabilizing at idle.
is absolutely breathtaking.